Dear check how to open resell of the mama. Just click here. Okay, already opened my reseller. Just click three dot line, coming here for create. Okay, create user. If you like user, just click user. And then see, coming here, create a random. If you create for 1 month, just click here create, and then if you like only for 3 minutes 30 minutes for trial, just click here. Okay, and then create here, see, coming here, just you make it, click of the copy, already copy. Okay, and next step, just again coming here, three dot line, coming here manage, just see user list, click it here, user list. Wait few seconds, just scroll down. See, for example, this is my user. Just click plus icon, click here, click icon as this is here. See, this is user and this password. Okay, this expression and this device, and click on the cross. If you like to change this password, click here. Okay, this pen icon, click here. See, first change password, then again coming here, device receipt, click here device receipt, and again click cross, and then make it here. Just click here, it will coming copy. See, this number already, the password already copy. Okay, thank you.